Hi guys, welcome to Mac to Explore YouTube channel. First of all, we thank all our subscribers and viewers for all the support and encouragement you have given to us. Now let's see how to program this into ESP32 CAM development board. Means how to upload the code program into ESP32 CAM development board. So here is the AI Thinker ESP32 CAM development board, and here is our ESP32 development board. Generally, for our ESP32 development board, we upload the code using micro USB cable connecting this to micro USB port, this. But you can see here for AI Thinker ESP32 CAM development board don't have any of this port, neither this USB to UART chip CP2102. This is a USB to UART chip here on ESP32 development board, but it do not have on a AI Thinker ESP32 CAM development board. So therefore we need FTDI FT232RL USB to UART serial module to program the ESP32 CAM development board. This FTDI serial module has this FT232RL USB to UART chip with TX and RX lines, so we can upload the source code binary using serial interface to our ESP32 CAM development board. For this we need few jumper wires and USB 8 to mini USB cable only. So here is the schematic of this setup. Connect all the connection as shown. Make sure that ID0 shorted to the ground here. ID0 should be shorted to the ground for making sure to board get enter into programming board. This is very important because when you power on the circuit, if ID0 is connected to the ground, then and then only ESP32 CAM goes into programming or uploading mode. Otherwise, it will start running the previously uploaded code. U0T and U0R of the ESP32 CAM, these two pins, are not that much of 5 volt tolerant, so we need to put this jumper cap on 3.3 volt logic to make sure TX and RX, this TX and RX will at 3.3 volt logic level, but our ESP32 CAM should be powered with the 5 volt. This one, it should be powered with the 5 volt here. Power ESP32 CAM with 5 volt to avoid brownout problems during uploading. After you upload the code successfully, please remove this jumper ID0 IO0 to ground. Here we have placed the jumper. You have to remove this jumper to make sure board will enter into normal mode after reset. So this is all about how to program ESP32 CAM development board. We'll give this schematic on our GitHub page and share the link in the description of this video. Now let's see demo of how to program ESP32 CAM development board. So we have connected here ESP32 CAM development board with FTDI module. Here you can see, as per the circuit diagram, we have connected IO0 to ground to make sure that board enter into programming mode. Now board is in programming mode. Now let's see how to upload the code. To upload the code, we have to go to first computer management. Here in device manager, we have to check on which port board is detected. So when you connect this FTDI module to your USB port, it will detect as a COM port. Here you can see FTDI module. It is detected on COM3. You can see here. Okay. Now let's go to your Arduino IDE. In Arduino IDE, you can check that also. Here go to tools. Here we have selected this AI Thinker ESP32 CAM development board and it is connected to the COM tree. Okay. Now just click on upload here. So it will first compile this sketch and then it will upload the sketch into the ESP32 CAM development board. So you can see all this log here now code is getting uploaded 60%, Okay, now upload is completed, you can see here. So in this way you can program this ESP32 development CAM development board using Arduino IDE.